Hey team, it's James here at Workshop Software. How you doing? Hey, you might have seen a couple of videos before. Sometimes I get excited, man. I'm really excited about this. This is probably one of our biggest ever releases of something within Workshop Software. And look, I'm gonna put a challenge out there. This is a world first. This is a world first in automotive software. There's not any other automotive software out there in the world that has got this sort of functionality inside it. Puts us at the leading edge of managing your workshops and sets Workshop Software apart from the rest. And indeed, I'll go so far to say, as this is a world first in any sort of software. Any business management software in any industry doesn't have this sort of functionality inside it. And indeed, what I'm going to do is I'm so strong about how I feel about this that I'm going to put $10,000 up on this. So if anybody, the first person to find another piece of software in any industry that's got business intelligence, that is proper, true business intelligence, and business intelligence isn't just a couple of pretty graphs, it's actually proper business intelligence, drilling down, being able to extract the data that you need and being able to grab one piece of data and have it affect different pieces of data is what business intelligence is all about. Any system that has got a full-blown business intelligence inside it, under $100 per month, including business management. So in other words, a workshop software style management. So it might be managing some other sort of industry piece of software. I'm going to donate $10,000 to charity. So the first person that comes up with that, 10 grand to charity. There won't be another one out in the world. And so from your perspective for workshop software, this is a world first. You've got world leading application, and this business intelligence is really something that I feel that you really strongly want to have a look at, because it can change the way that you operate your business. So check it out. This is just such an awesome feature, and this is the start too. So this is an early iteration of business intelligence. We plan on doing some really cool things and future enhancements to this into the future as well. So really excited about it. 10 grand up for grabs to our favorite charity, or your favorite charity if you're the one that finds it. So you let me know what you want to donate it to, and I'm going to donate 10 grand to charity.